You can see that the new Nest Mini is almost completely the same in terms of its size and the way it looks to the former Google Mini, the one that's actually still available. There's some nice small details. Sound is a little bit more round. Let's give it a shot here. Hey Google, can you tell me the weather today?
In New York City today, there will be snow with a forecasted high of 35 and a low of 33. Currently it's 35 with snow.
When you want to increase the volume, of course, you can ask Google Assistant to do that for you. But what's really nice are these sort of volume buttons that show up. I'm not even touching the Mini right now, and they show up on either side. And so what you'll really do is just tap it to lower it on one side or tap it to increase it on the other. One other detail that's different is you'll see at the bottom is a hole here that you can use to add a nail, place this on the wall, and you still have the privacy button here. So if you flip this to the
mic's
side,
off.
you heard Google Assistant tell you, and you get these nice orange lights that show you that the mics are not listening right now. So for example, if I ask Google again what the weather is, hey Google, what's the weather? It's not going to respond. And those lights will stay on the entire time until you turn that privacy button back on.
The mic's back on.
And Google Assistant will let you know. So that's really kind of the main differences that you can see. There's also a different power cord here, just a different, instead of a USB-C, you can see there's a regular audio cord here that goes in. So it's nicer sound, a little bit rounder, a little bit more full. There's a little bit more bass. This isn't going to replace your high-end luxury speakers, but definitely, I think the sound is definitely of enough higher quality that it makes the Nest Mini an easy buy over the older versions. So that's about it. Thanks.